Hello everyone, welcome back. It's the first thing on my channel of me actually doing this. It's parkour. Yeah, let's get started. So, seems pretty easy so far. Pretty good at parkour. No, I'm horrible. But anyways, this should be fun. So I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. I just want to see. Pretty easy so far. This part looks... Wow! Uh, uh, uh. Is this the same thing? No. Okay, I beast through it. That part. Looks like it gets longer. Oh, great. Uh, uh, uh. Yes. I like how they know the opposite colors. White and yellow and... Okay, that's pretty good. Yes, we made that jump. I could go on top of this. But not easy. Why do I need ladder? You don't really need the ladder, it's just for support, I guess.